special presentation from Channel 4 WDBR TV in New York.
How do you do, everyone? My name is DanteTube, and today I am gonna take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of one of the most amazing places ever, and it's the home of my YouTube channel, the one and only DanteTube Studio. Just press this button first. Which one? This one. There. Huh, that's convenient. Bam! My studio is on the 6th floor. Here we go. And now, welcome to the DanteTube Studio. This is the place where I do most of my YouTube creations, especially this one right here. Yeah. This is my place. Oh, and I have this here is the promotional poster for this upcoming TV show called Patrick Jenner's Logo Adventures in New York. I've already finished the title sequence, and now I just need to record them with these, which I'm about to put outside the deck. My studio deck, I should say.
Yes, we are all privileged and disadvantaged in some ways. I can tell you this, but I can't tell you.
So, this is also where I film or record my Logo Adventures in New York show. And these are the characters all in the box. Let me put them somewhere else. Ah, there we go. Right. So, each logo character was drawn on marker by me and was taped onto a Crayola erasable color pencil or a Staedtler color pencil. Like, for example, this is DHX Media. Yeah. Oh. Next, there's Little Viacom. You know what? Let me just pour them all out. That's better. Alright, so first we have DHX Media. Yeah. I actually love his voice. Little Viacom. Soon he's gonna star in the first episode of What Is in This Book, Parts 1 and 2. Corporation for Public Broadcasting. Whoops. Maybe I should put them all back in the box. So I could, and just take them out one by one, you know? This is gonna take forever, so I'm just gonna do a time lapse of cleaning them up. There we go. So DHX Media, Little Viacom. I also did CTV. Here's, Kids CBC. CBC means Canadian Broadcasting Corporation, just in case you don't know. NBC Kids, which used to be programmed by the Sprout Channel, but it's now rebranded as Universal Kids. I miss that channel. Anyway, next here's Nick Jr. One of my most favorite channel programmings as a little kid. I miss their shows. Here's DanteTube, animation studio based in Canada. This company is best known for Wayside. Yeah, Wayside. Here's also TG, but the old version of the logo. The only problem I had was doing the spiral on the J. Here's one of my most favorite ones. The CBS Eye. That was kind of easy. I also have the Disney characters. Disney Jr. and Playhouse Disney. Couldn't draw the other ones because I didn't have time. Oh, the Screen Gems logo. Yeah, I only wanted to do this one, so credit goes to. Oh, and Patrick Jenner, if you're watching this, credit goes to you for the designs, and to everyone else who made the logos for the companies. And right here, got him. All right. D, where are you? All right. Now I need D. Got him. Alright, so right here is a cute set of TVO Kids letters that I just drew. Wow, I think I just got into them. Oh, and also they're also from a movie that I'm making called Dante's TVO Kids Logo Bloopers. I think I'm still on take 7. And right here is Nitrogen Studios. That logo was real complicated. Okay, 2 more. Where is it? Oh yeah. And who could forget? Oh wait, no. Let's say that fast. Fine. Okay. Here is Fox Kids. That was pretty easy. I just had to look up the Fox Kids logo. Okay, last one. let's not forget the PBSP head. He's made out of construction paper, all construction paper, with a hint of marker and some glue. So there you have it, the behind the scenes of Logo Adventures in New York. And now, on with the tour. We are heading back inside now, back to my main floor. Alright, so the next part is where I, oops. There we go. Alright, so this, now this is a prop, where I, do my good morning or good night videos. But since today's morning, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I got these ideas from a show I watched. And this is how I transfer this from computer to paper. Let me show you. Whoops. Alright. So, what I had to do was search for the sun, and, then I just, angle it here. Wait, what? Yeah, angle it here. Then color it yellow. Oh. Color it yellow. Then take one more shape and paint that blue. But sky blue, though. Let me just cut this and paste. Then I make this longer. Then I make this wider. Oops. There we go. And boom. But when it's nighttime, I just change this into the moon. For the moon, it was kind of difficult because I had to turn it a bit. Like this. There we go. Then I had to just delete that and make the sky look purple. I mean, indigo. What am I saying? Then I color it in, and boom. So then I had to turn on the printer and print them double-sided, so that way I don't have to keep doing it two pieces. Yeah. Oh, you get the idea. And before you ask me in the comments, I use Keynote for mostly the editing, and some of my other works, yeah, I just love Odd Squad. But anyway, some of my other works are actually kind of popular. And this is my, wait for it, the YouTube channel. This is where I do, well, I'm not gonna tell you, but I thought it'd be fun to show you. And the only way to do that is by showing you my intro. This is what it has. After this advertisement ends, there. This is what my channel has. Believe me, this intro already has 520 views, which is 9 enough views to become popular. No bigs. And some of my subscribers actually loved my intro, especially this one right here, Babra Akam. He's my he's actually he was my first crew member of DanteTube, and he still is. Or is it she? It doesn't matter. And guess what? He's actually subscribed to my channel. So if you subscribe, he subscribed to my channel, which makes him the DanteTube crew member. So if you subscribe to my channel, that means you are a member of DanteTube. Yeah. Right here is my friend Laushin12 in Numberverse. I hope I'm sorry if I'm not saying your name right though. He does community posts and does artwork like this one and this one. And I get inspired by his designs. Especially on Discord. Oops. Alright. So recently, he did a fan art of a few artworks. He did a fan art of this one. This is my original design. And this is his design. It looks cool. And one from a humanized version of the EW Scripts company. Here's his design. Whoosh. Cute, huh? And best part, he actually put them all on a community post too. Yeah. So yeah, I'm also coming soon, I'm gonna be building a marble set, which is actually going to be a prop for a show that I call... Whoops, wrong video. Okay. The opening title sequence to... The opening title whoops. To TVO Kids Letterhouse. Here we go. In case you haven't noticed, the theme song to this show is the theme from Taxi. TVO Kids Letterhouse. My friend Little KJ, the Beyonder. I did all this myself. I did this all on Thanksgiving break. Yeah, this was after a Thanksgiving dinner that I had. Don't want to tell you though. So I am also going to be doing a new series which also has a behind the scenes of DanteTube called and the series is called The Making of DanteTube. Special thanks to Macy's for sponsoring the series. Yeah. Whoops. It's the brightness. Oops. Anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much of my iMovie edits. And now we're gonna go to the pizza box. Did somebody order a pizza? Because I'm hungry. No, I'm just kidding. It's not pizza. It's actually my other things related to DanteTube, like for my stop motion films. This one I'm still apparently working on. It's for a stop motion show that I call the PBS Letter Show. And here is a piece of paper that my parent company Dante Studios made for me. And yeah, the Dante Studios logo is finally revealed, which I'm so happy about. This is a humanized version of... no, wrong color grading. Emporium, no. Whoops. All my files. Come on. All right. WQLN, WLIW, WMHT, WXXI, WETA, MPBN. Aha! There he is. WNET 13. But he prefers to be just called 13. And that's me playing as a character. I love PBS. Let me know what you think in the comments. What is your favorite PBS station? If you need to pause the video at any minute right now, you can comment below what is your favorite PBS station and why. Well, actually, you don't really have to tell me why, because it's, yeah, over here is the NBC Peacock pillow that I just bought from the shop at NBC Studios. Yeah, I love NBC a lot. So much that I made a humanized version of the NBC logo. Yeah. His first name is WNBC, but he prefers to be called Peacock. Yeah. And check out this other NBC station that I did when I was in New Orleans. WDSU Channel 6 New Orleans. Yeah, I had a lot. I had so much fun there. How tight does this thing go? Now I just put him back. And bingo. Alright, so this next part is the construction paper stuff. This little Nickelodeon blimp from the kids, based on the Kids' Choice Awards, is I'm gonna do that show next year because I'm still waiting for the blank orange blimp. Your channel trailer 215, 200. This one. It's for a show called Nick Letters on an NYC Adventure. It's all going to be stop motion, and the intro is based on the new Saturday Night Live intro. I actually love that intro when I saw it on YouTube. And this is the entire construction paper pack that I'm going to use for each landmark. So please be sure to buckle up, because next year you are going to hop on board for the most fun of all slime. Get it? Because slime. Okay. Here's what I have so far. Oops. Here's what I have so far. And that is a new logo for some of my stop motion films. 3, 2, 1. The theme song is Candy Girl by New Edition. Alright, let's pause this. Work in progress. Yeah, for the final part of the title sequence, I'm gonna add these. Oops, mixed up. Let me remix them. Oops. By me, Zachary, and Patrick there. Bam. This is just for the final part of the title sequence, which is also... Oops, wrong color. Oh, there it is. Which is all gonna be on a black screen. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But since this is too big, I'm just gonna animate it on stop motion first, and then I just make some edits to the screen formatting, and then I do the rest. I'll save that for later, though. For some later projects. Or the sky. For the sky of the title sequence. Whoa. I am going to use a blue piece of paper. Then go to the bathroom and look for cotton. Where is the cotton? Oh, there it is. Cotton. I'm also going to use cotton for the clouds. Yep, I use everyday objects in stop motion as well. Use cotton too. Okay, I'm almost done. Alright. Oops. Then I just use jumbo cotton balls from Up and Up. And 100 cotton. I don't know how cheap this is. And I may use these for fight clouds on 3D stop motion films. Sculpting films. Let me just separate them. This is how I am going to make the clouds. Now that's more like it. You're gonna see how it all goes in stop motion next year. Oh, I need to clean this up before my parents find out about the cotton. Oh. Bam, all cleaned up. Still with me? Excellent, because this is where it gets interesting. I only have C and K left, which I'm gonna do later. But first, here's N. Out for DanteTube delivery. And since he's not in the plastic wrap, I'm just gonna do all this myself. Oops, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Is that all of it? It's all of it. All right. So this is where I do the character designs and facial expressions for the characters. Animating the mouths on the characters, though, is really hard. And I'm gonna have to use a stop motion software that I call Cloud Stop Motion. See? So I did N. Now let's do I. This time, we're putting him in the plastic wrap. There we go. Out for DanteTube delivery. Here's I. I'll show you a behind the scenes video of how I do the stop motion show next year. And down you all go. This is for I's expressions. I'm gonna be voicing I. But I'm not sure who's gonna be voicing N and C and K. The captain of the leader of all Nickelodeon networks is CBS. The CBS I. It's gonna be his first time in stop motion as well. Now it's time to put them all back. C and K are coming soon. Oops. All right. In you go. And in you go. Perfect. All right. We have one more amazing thing to tell you before this video tour ends. First, let's put this back where it came from. There we... Oh, whoops. There we go. I should have renamed that. Whoops. Let me just get to my YouTube channel. Well, two final parts. So, 2 years ago, I started my YouTube channel on October 21st, 2020. And on the last few months, well, last 3 months, wait, no, December, November, October, last 2 months. On the last 2 months, on the 21st, it was my channel's first anniversary. And the music in this video is, the Let Us Be the One You Turn to from ABC. Let us be the one. Yeah! Happy first anniversary, DanteTube, which is me. Everyone was going wild, especially these friends right here. My friends Daimon Kami. He wants me to call him Cam Cam, and I am totally on board with that. My other friend from the Twin Cities, KTIA TV 25. He actually became my DanteTube crew member after I made an intro for him. And you will see that intro in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did all of this in Keynote, and he recorded all of this in VHS. Xenon Triorsis Travels. Triorsis Travels. What am I saying? And I told KTIA that the style is inspired by KTCA Twin Cities 1979, and the font was from my favorite crime show of all time, Law and Order. Then I made the outro for him. Outro, outro, outro. Where is the outro? I think I know where it is. It's... And he has done a lot. I can't even keep track. No offense. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my god. Found it. I did the closing for him. This is the closing. This was pretty easy. There's 2 more KTIA videos. Like Newsline 25. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Got it. Well, let's skip the logo because you've seen the logo already. And there we go. The music is Wall Street Week, the Wall Street Week theme song. The music is actually good. Newsline 25 with Miles Tales per hour. And here are the credits.
Funding for Newsline 25 with Miles Tales per hour is provided by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. Additional support is provided by Prudential-based securities, providing rock-solid resources and market-wise thinking for investors, and by annual financial support from viewers like you. Thank you.
I told KTIA to help me out with the lines, but he did. You know what? Never mind. So I guess I'm gonna do the artwork instead, and that's gonna take me a while to finish. That is the animation I did all by myself. And here's KTIA's version of it. Whew. That was good. Huh. My animation company that does all this for other YouTubers and myself, the animation company is called... I do a lot. Okay, since it's not here, I'm just gonna tell you. It's called DanteMation. a company that's a division of DanteTube and a Dante Studios company. And very soon I'm going to do a second YouTube channel called Dante's Logo Vault. And who could forget, I have this play button that I got for my birthday. My very own play button. Oops! Alright. We have one more thing before we go. I also created some playlists, including some saved playlists. Weather Channel music. Well, I saved the playlists, I didn't create them. And the Video Buddy collection. The Video Buddy character is really cute. Let me show you. I'm not going to show you the full video, though.
Hi there, I'm Video Buddy. I'm so glad you can play with me right now. I bet you're ready to get started. The first thing you need to do is get your Video Buddy handset. Take the suction cup at the end of the cord and get ready to stick it firmly right on top of the black dot. But before you do, wipe off the TV screen, especially right here, by the dot. Okay, now stick the suction cup as close as you can to the middle of the black dot. If you don't get it the first time, don't worry, you can try again. Next, press the purple power button. Way to go! Now the way this works is that every once in a while during the story, we get to play.
Oops. So yeah, I actually love the Video Buddy character. But what I really wanted to show you was the last part of them all. My community posts. You really gotta check out my community posts too. And my other channels. Some I subscribe to, and some who are subscribed. Like Zachary MB, Laushin 12 and Numberverse, Gelatin, Hannah Gale, Roblox Runner, Barbara Acom, Kruger Twins, oops, see if he's subscribed. No, he isn't. Oh, Blue Frosty. I'll get to that reply later. Gelatin BFB. My favorite one, Hevesh 5. The Alex Resort. Oh, and... Oh. Look, hey, Alex Resort, if you could, if you want to become a member of DanteTube, you gotta subscribe to the channel. And here is how you do it. Well, I'm pretty sure you already know how. But, anyway. Oops. Don't want to reveal all this. My new crew member, Riley Productions, Inc., after I made a new intro for him. Here's the intro. That was made by him. And this is the one made by me. Welcome home, Riley Productions. Welcome to DanteTube. Thanks for going on a behind-the-scenes tour of my studio, DanteTube subscribers and crew members. To learn more about my YouTube channel, or if you want to get reply updates or videos from my channel, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel by typing in this URL, youtube.com/DanteTube. And boom, you come to the right place. Be sure to like the videos I upload, and be sure to comment on them and tell me what you think. You might have noticed that I didn't go through all of the DanteTube stuff in the studio. Well, that's because the rest of them do the same thing. Playing the backing track of my song. And until next time, keep on keeping on.